Hi everyone. In this video also I am going to discuss about how to format the output in Java. In the last video also we did the same thing, how to format the output in Java. See, for example, I am taking two variables int a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Two variables I am taking. I just want to display the two values 10 and 20 I want to display. Right here I am writing system.out.println. If you display A and in the next line system.out.println B I am printing. So that A value 10, println method automatically send the control to the next line, and in the next line B value 20 will display. Here I want to display the two values side by side with a space. Side by side with a space. A, right? Space means what? That is nothing but one message, one string. One space, two spaces, three spaces, you can write like this, but in the form of string. So whatever you want to display, that you have to specify with a string. And we know that integer value and string value you have to concatenate is nothing but you should merge with plus. You should merge. After the space, you have to display the B value. A value space B value will display. See, when we execute the code, A value 10, B value 20. Just like values only we are printing 10, comma 20. Now I want to use the separator comma. So here instead of space, I'm using comma separator. Anything you can give here. So what will happen? First A value 10 will display. Next comma operator will display. Next one, that B value 20 will display. See, just compile and run 10 comma 20 printing. See, there are some predefined escape characters in Java. So what are the escape characters? One escape character is a /t. This is predefined. So then will it display /t? No. /t meaning it will give the tab space. So first A value will display, that is 10. That is 10. Next tab space. Then B value will display. Tab space means what? Either 5 spaces or 10 spaces, depends on the settings. See here the tab space it is printing. Next, in place of /t, if I am writing /n, /n means what? It will send the control to the next line. So first A will display, then it will send the control to the next line, and in the next line that B value will be displayed. So the values are 10, 20 will display in the next lines. See, any number of variables, no matter, we are displaying in the same way. Once again, I'm just creating different variables now. So first of all, suppose employee ID or account number, one value. Next one, account holder name. Name is a string and we are representing with the double quotes. For example, name I am taking. Next one is a salary or balance. If it is account details, balance, some value 5,000 is there. If you want to use that decimal part also, you can. Now the same story, I just want to display all values side by side with space. With space. So first number NUM means 101 will display. Next I want space. So plus operator, space. Again plus operator. Now we should display the name. After the name again space I want. Space. And the next one is a balance I want to display. Now look at this. Whenever I'm executing the code, with the space, all the three details are printing. Right? Again, I just want to use the separator comma. So comma separator I'm using. Then in between all the three, comma separators are printing. The same story, I just want to give the tab space means what? Is a slash t and slash t. And slash t will display the spaces between all the three. So now in a single statement, all the three we are printing in three different lines, slash n and slash n. So first the number will display. Next it will send the control to the next line, in the next line name, and next in the third line, the balance will display all the three, 101, the name and the balance. So this is simple formatting the output. Sir, for example, here it is, I'm taking the two variables only, like int a equals to 10, comma b equals to 20. Sir, I just want to display in the same format only. So what is that format? I want to display output like this only. I want to display the output like this. A equals to 10, comma b equals to 20. First A equals to. A equals to is a message. A equals to is a message. So whenever we are executing, only A equals to will display. A equals to. See? Next followed by, I just want to print 10. 10 means what? Variable A. So A equals to 10. It will display up to here. Next is what? The comma separator we are writing. Comma. Right? See here. A plus 10. A equals to 10, comma. Next B equals to. B equals to is also string. Na? So you can write here only directly. B equals to. Comma space B equals to will display. See? Up to here like this. Next, the B value I want to display. So this is the B value. Output will be displayed in this format. A equals to 10, B equals to 20. The same story in the same way, I just want to display the number, name and balance. Number, name and balance with comma separator. First that number equals to. Number equals to that number. That number. Next one, again plus operator. Of course, space is not required. I'm just representing like this. Plus comma separator. After that comma name. Sir, can we use the same variables? No. See here, I'm using that capital number. That is just a message. Whatever you want to display that. Next one is a name equals to. So it will display like this. First number 101, comma name. That name we are printing. Name we are printing. This is. After printing the name, again comma, right here it is a balance equals to that balance I want to display. So all the three values will display side by side using the comma separator. So the formatting is very, very important in Java. Sir, I don't want to use the comma separator. I want to send the control to next line, slash n. Just comma is replaced with a slash n. First number will display. It will send the control to the next line. Space will print. I don't want to print the space back. Next in the second line name. That name will print. Next slash n will send the control to next line. In the next line, that balance will print balance, right? In a single statement, we have written like this, but all the three values will print in three different lines of code. So this is how we are formatting the output. In the next video, right, that more formatting examples I'll explain. Hope you understood. Please practice and check the output. Thank you.